my God.
I can't even see myself through the... Oh my god! Your outfit?
Really nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, very flowy.
Very nice. I like it actually match.
Oh, chest.
When you took it on, I was remembering when I was 5 at kindergarten, I played Peter Pan.
Oh.
Yeah? And I had exactly that outfit, but it was borrowed. So I was like, well, it's not mine, so should I remove my underwear?
What?
I don't know, I was like, it's kind of gross.
That's more gross.
I know, I didn't think I was a kid, okay? So I went naked out on stage with it.
With like this?
Yes!
Oh, bold move.
Hell yeah! Alright, let's see what we have here.
Oh, I think I saw something in there. I'm excited.
What did you see?
I'm not telling. I'm not telling, Felix. I want board game!
Boy game?
The board game. Yeah, sure.